Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So in this video, I'm going to actually talk about things you can do to win more floor and carpet jobs. So whether you're looking for contracts or projects, hold tight. In this video, I'm going to share that with you. Okay, number one. It always makes more sense for someone to toot your horn instead of you doing it yourself. So you want others to talk about how well you do the floors or the carpet. Now remember, you want to be real specific with what type of floors you do and what type of cleaning you do with carpets. There's several different types, as you know. So make sure you have someone toot your horn by telling others exactly how well you did through testimonies, videos, reviews. You get it. The next thing you can do is make sure that you have a great pitch, have everything you need that you're able to say verbally. Someone asks you, you can instantly get it out. Number 3, I love pictures. Photos say everything. You don't have to say anything if you have a really great before and after shot. So make sure you show how terrible the carpet or the floor looks before, and then make sure you're able to show the after shot and put all of this into a marketing. It doesn't cost a lot of money to go on fiverr.gov and make sure that you have a really nice brochure talking about testimonials, or you can make sure that you have before and after shots. Doesn't cost a lot, but could be worth so much. Now, if you want to know more things you can do to do what? Attract more customers, then make sure you sign up for my free masterclass where I go over this and so much more on what I talk about the 3 pillars: attraction, acquiring, and then, of course, retention. So if you'd like to know more, space is limited. Make sure you click the link below. That way you can sign up and learn so much and more. Until the next video, make sure you stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.